The weekend started with Donald J. Trump releasing his official $Trump cryptocurrency that shot up to like $75 in 2 days. And then an hour ago, or 44 minutes, the official Melania meme coin was released. And apparently that caused the Trump meme coin to fall off a cliff from like 75 to now $44. We definitely live in very, very interesting times. And so along this pattern, we were getting an Ivanka coin, a Don coin, Don Jr. coin, Baron coin, Kai coin. Interesting times indeed. Also, Southern California faces another strong, damaging Santa Ana wind event this week. Right before we're going to get some Southern Texas snow. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Houston. And there's a good chance like North Texas will get some snow. And then there's a good chance some of the shit will be ice and sleet into Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida. There's literally a winter storm watch up into Florida, the Carolinas, Virginia, may even dust some in New York. That would include you, New Jersey. It is definitely going to be a wild, wild week for a lot of people. So buckle up, stay cool, although while staying warm, wear your mittens if you go out and something to cover your head, because a head covering will trap in some of your inner body heat. So like the cowboy hat is so useful. It protects your eyes and head from the sun in the summer, and it traps in the heat in the winter. Yeah, it's definitely winter, man. The winter of our content, the winter of our discontent, that's totally up to you. New York, getting some cold rain right now. After the super hot Dave Chappelle SNL show. I enjoyed it. His monologue was fantastic. And the fact that the Santa Ana wind area is shaped like a boxing glove seems like a bad sign. And starting Monday at noon to Tuesday at 10 a.m., it will be a particularly dangerous situation. We're talking gusts of up to 70 miles per hour in the coasts and the valleys, and up to 100 miles per hour in the mountains and the foothills. Combine that with fire and those sparks and embers that can jump almost a mile, and you're in for another wild week. School closings are already starting for Southeast Texas, and winter watches are in place from Houston and Galveston down to Victoria, Lake Charles. Have I already said we live in interesting times, strange days? What are all my cliches? Oh, yeah. Also, TikTok is back. Thanks for your patience and support. As a result of President Trump's efforts, he saved TikTok. And apparently there was some 19-year-old kid who got so mad that TikTok got canceled. He set some congressman's office on fire. Well, how dumb was he going to feel, A, from doing it, and then B, when he finds out TikTok came back a couple hours later. All right. Is this real? I don't know. Part of me would guess no, just because you never know. But then in this video, they have somebody capturing it with their phone. Like, what? What? Oh, dude. 2025, you can keep on 2025 and every single day. Is this real? Somebody's trying to draw boobs in the sky with alien lights? Volcanoes. Fuego erupted in Guatemala today. Sakurajima erupted in Japan today. And key messages for January 21st, 22nd, Deep South winter storm. Rare winter storm for Deep South states. Hazardous travel and disruptions possible. Very cold weather before and after storm. And uncertainty remains with the forecast. So definitely I would say pay attention to your local forecasts. But a shit ton of local meteorologists got laid off on Friday. So I guess pay attention to, I don't know, you'll figure it out. You're really smart. And prayers up for the people still heavily affected in North Carolina from Hurricane Helene, and to the people in California. You guys may be going through variations of this shit all year. All right. So everybody stay cool. Play defense. I will talk to you all in the near future. And God bless everyone. A rare and potentially historic outbreak of polar stratospheric clouds, PCSs, is underway. Extreme cold in the Arctic. So yeah, welcome to winter 2025. You got this.